Hi, today I'm going to show you how we're going to finish off this beef rib which I've sous vide for 12 hours in soy sauce and hoisin sauce. I'm going to serve it onto a bed of crispy rice noodle which is done street style, just like they do in the streets of Vietnam and Japan, and it's really unusual. I'm going to serve it with some lovely vegetables. Let's show you how we're going to do it. Okay, that's the oil hot now in the bed. I'm going to get the veg done first because I don't want to overcook the beef. Cook that for about 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add to that a little bit of this sesame oil, slightly smoked. Absolutely gorgeous, that. Just a touch. Okay, I've slit the bag and I'm going to tip that rib and all that juice into there. Just like that. I'm not wasting any of that. Right, I'll just see if I can show you the rib. There it is there. Super soft. Okay, I've just took the rib out because I'm going to dry it and show you how beautifully rendered it's become. Okay, I just wanted to show you how fantastic sous vide is. If you look at that fork, watch this. It's straight through, and this is the beef. It's just falling off. I just thought I'd show you that. And that piece has just come up, so that's going to have to be eaten in it. Okay, we're serving our beef rib on some rice noodles. Just show you how that goes in some hot oil at about 180. Just in and away. Never gets old, that. Okay, there's those beautiful rice crispy noodles. Put that big beautiful rib on top like that. Okay, here's that fantastic sauce. So we're going to lay down like that, and the vegetables all around it, and there we have it. 12-hour cooked beef rib in a hoisin and soy sauce with a crispy rice. Absolutely gorgeous, that.